Okay, for all those naysayers saying that nobody's going to be able to fit under here, we got a 76-year-old guy putting insulation up.
We proved them wrong, eh?
Yeah, definitely proved everyone wrong.
How's them strips holding up? We gonna make it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, guys, nice wet day out here. But I figure we might as well work. We're not too damp. Just been sprinkling most of the day, on and off, so trying to get this end framed up. I forgot the other camera, so I've been using my phone for any of these little pieces, parts. And Frank over there trying to cut some cripples for this other short wall. But this is what we got done today. Got that wall. And a good start on that wall, and then we run out of lineal material, 12-foot material for plating. So I guess we're going to call it good for the day and head home. I wish I had you on camera yesterday when you made a comment about, oh, why didn't we build a house with no steps? Yeah, there's nothing in the way here. Gotta have them down because you're gonna. Well, guys, it was a rather wet and windy day today. Another great October fall day in Minnesota. But as you see, we got that corner finished off. And we got a couple of the garage walls built and stood. Tomorrow we're going to work on getting this front wall with the header for the overhead door in. Start shooting the exterior here. So it's time for me to go home now. See everyone in the morning.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, at least 2 pounds off of them. Let's see if the little generator can spin that saw. Gotta get her up to speed. There went the compressor. Pop the breaker on it. Yeah, I wish my big one would work. Yeah. 16-inch LVL. 3 of them for the headers. Yeah. There we go. Run out a bit of steam on that last one. Well, we got that header in. It's a tripled up 1 3/4 by 16-inch LVL. That last one, I gotta tell you, trying to lift it up and place it with my arm, got a little bit weak. Had to put a nailer underneath there to hold it up while I got it in there. But it went in there pretty good. And we just finished up the top plating of the portions that we can do before I get into the house here. And now I believe we got some time yet today, so I think we're going to start on some interior walls. We did manage to find some 2x4s, the local Menards. Well, guys, we got some interior walls done today. Did you see? Along with getting that front wall built for the overhead door and header. Got some top plate on that portion, but I still need to tie in the interior walls to the remainder of this in order to top plate that. But it's Friday, and my daughter requested me to pick her up from school so she can spend the weekend. And Saturday I got to try to get something done on the off-grid cabin so I can get a video out maybe on Sunday. Anyhow, guys, we will get back to you.